Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So as you might know, I created many plugins and they are available on CodeCanyon. These are mostly auto-blogging plugins, and in this video I want to ask you about my idea of the next plugin that I want to create, and I want to validate it with you guys. So I will ask you to let me know your ideas about it in the comments of this video. So in here I will let you know about my next plugin idea. So the next plugin idea is something like this site. This site is usepanda.com, app.usepanda.com, and they are basically a news aggregation website like AUTOB, if you have heard of AUTOB. However, this site is a more modern look. They have a more modern look. So these are the sources that they support here on the left column, and you can select the sources by clicking on them. So you can see we can select sources. After a brief loading time, the posts will appear here and people will be able to click the sources and they are displaying here, or if they cannot be displayed here, they will be opened in a new tab, as you see here. So also getting opened in a new tab sometimes. Also they have a reader and original. So note that most of the websites don't allow to be their content to be embedded in iframes on other sites, and in this case Panda simply displays that this website disabled embedding and open it on using Chrome extension or using this reader, because the reader will work. So I thought of implementing this entire process something similar to how Panda has here on their site, and let me know what you think. Would you like to get something similar to this? Would you like to build a site that is similar to Panda, where you can add your own news sources here, and people will come to your site and click on these news sources and they get their posts listed, and they can read here directly on your site or go to the source based on how you set the content. So as you can see, they also send people to the source. Okay, so just let me know your idea, because I'm really curious on what you think on this. Is this a good idea? Can it be improved by other more revolutionary ideas? If you have more, let me know in the comments and I'd be glad to help and assist you. Also, as you can see, they have image search also available from image websites like let me search for, this is awards, another image website which displays images, and they allow image search, and if you click the image you will be redirected to editor X, which I'm not sure what it is anyway. So as you can see, basic idea: column of sources, people clicking; column of news, people clicking; column of reader, where people will actually read the content. And here you can add ads. So I can make the plugin to add automatically ads here between the content of the sources that are listed. And another idea for this plugin is to allow people to add their own sources here besides the sources that you list after they register on your site. And yeah, so there are multiple ways and paths that this new plugin can go, and I am curious to let your opinions, to let me know your opinions. Okay, so this is for today. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. And yeah, until next time, awaiting your feedback. Have a nice time. Bye bye.